by the wells of El Segundo, where the oil rigs kiss the sky. They traded drills for rivet guns when the war drums cried, while the boys went marching and the ships rolled out to sea. The women built the bombers, fighting history. El Segundo, let your engines roar, built by steady hands that the headlines ignore. With courage in the daylight and shadows in the dust, the women of El Segundo held the line for us. Steel frames on the runway, silver wings would rise. Every bolt a promise, every weld a life. No medals for their labor, no statues to their name, but freedom wears the fingerprints of women just the same. El Segundo, let your engines roar, built by steady hands that the headlines ignore. With courage in the daylight and shadows in the dust, the women of El Segundo held the line for us. They worked in silence, they worked in pride. Brothers overseas with sisters on the line. And when the war was over, they vanished from the floor, but the ghosts of El Segundo still rattle every door. El Segundo, let your engines roar, built by steady hands that the